If you're experiencing server timeout issues in GTA 5, follow these steps to quickly resolve the problem. This guide will help you disable the timeout setting effectively. Step 1. Open the game's settings. Launch GTA 5 and navigate to the settings menu. Look for the online or multiplayer options where you can adjust various gameplay settings. Step 2. Access the network settings. Within the settings menu, find the network or connection settings. This section allows you to manage your online connection preferences. Step 3. Disable timeout settings. Look for any options related to server timeouts or connection limits. Disable these settings to prevent the game from automatically timing out when connecting to servers. Step 4. Save changes. After making the adjustments, ensure you save the changes before exiting the settings menu. This step is crucial to apply the new configuration. Step 5. Restart the game. Close GTA 5 completely and restart it. This will ensure that the new settings take effect and help you connect to the servers without timing out. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the server timeout issue in GTA 5. Enjoy your gaming experience.